Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. So I was coming home today. I saw a toolbox sitting by the side of the road. Now the toolbox was open and it had something sticking out of it, and I wasn't sure exactly what it was. But it was sitting in a big pile of trash, so I was pretty sure it wasn't any good. But I thought, you know what? Toolboxes. Worth looking at. So I stopped, picked up the stuff, and brought it home. This is the tools that I got out of that toolbox laying alongside the road. They were pretty nasty. They had been in that poop and mouse nest infested pile of junk for quite a while. So I put them in a bucket of soapy water and left them sit. They were in there for about 5 days now, and when they come out they're fairly clean. I'll have to wipe them down and wash them off. Got 2 good chisels in there and 3 drill bits in fairly good condition. The long drill bit is pretty much shot. Not much left to it. That little rivet staking tool there is actually an eyelet press used to replace eyelets in shoes. And I think that is what, a 9/16? Yep, 9/16 wrench. Chrome's pretty much gone in one spot, but I think it's a good wrench, and that is one that I just happen to be short of. I ended up, after working a job with somebody that had a similar set of tools, he ended up with 2 9/16, and I ended up with 2 5/8, and he moved before I had a chance to find out. So anyways, now I have a window scraper and a couple of chisels, 3 spade bits, 2 pole barn nails, a cement drill, a little wrench, and a chuck key. Not a bad haul for just stopping by the side of the road. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.